Here's some Meiji Era trivia. Subscribe. Which event marked the end of the samurai era? Is it A. Sino-Japanese War, B. Boshin War, C. Meiji Restoration, or D. Taiping Rebellion? The correct answer is C. Meiji Restoration. In which year did the Meiji Era begin? Is it A. 1868, B. 1870, C. 1885, or D. 1892? The correct answer is A. 1868. What type of government was established during this period? Is it A. oligarchy, B. theocracy, C. constitutional monarchy, or D. anarchy? The correct answer is C. constitutional monarchy. Which emperor ruled during the Meiji Era? Is it A. Emperor Showa, B. Emperor Taisho, C. Emperor Akihito, or D. Emperor Meiji? The correct answer is D. Emperor Meiji. What major conflict involved Japan in 1894 to 1895? Is it A. First Sino-Japanese War, B. World War I, C. Russo-Japanese War, or D. Boer War? The correct answer is A. First Sino-Japanese War. Which treaty ended the Sino-Japanese War? Is it A. Treaty of Tensen, B. Treaty of Versailles, C. Treaty of Nanjing, or D. Treaty of Shimonoseki? The correct answer is D. Treaty of Shimonoseki. What significant document was established in 1889? Is it A. Magna Carta, B. Meiji Constitution, C. Treaty of Versailles, or D. Emancipation Proclamation? The correct answer is B. Meiji Constitution. What was the first railway line in Japan? Is it A. Tokyo to Yokohama, B. Nagoya to Tokyo, C. Hakodate to Sapporo, or D. Osaka to Kyoto? The correct answer is A. Tokyo to Yokohama. Which term refers to Japan's rapid industrialization? Is it A. Shogunate era, B. Tokusatsu, C. Edo period, or D. Bakufu Revolution? The correct answer is B. Tokusatsu. What movement sought cultural renewal in Japan? Is it A. Taisho democracy, B. Myojo movement, C. Edo period, or D. Shinto revival? The correct answer is B. Myojo movement. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.